Hello folks, and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. Today's video shows you how the contractor installs sloped reinforced concrete pavement. Now let me show you how we got to the completed product. The forms are set in the rebar, or the steel is a number 4 bar tied on 8-inch centers with a 1-foot toe wall on all 3 sides to prevent undermining the pavement. This particular concrete is a 4,000 psi mix, or what we call a concrete structure mix. The subgrade has not been treated, but it has been compacted to 95%. The subgrade is very wet, but this is slope pavement and it will have no load, so we're not worried about the moisture content. The contractor is using a concrete bucket to place the concrete. As you can see, it is too wet and muddy for the concrete truck to back up any further. The concrete bucket works very well. It holds about 1 cubic yard of concrete. Notice where the worker places the concrete and lets the gravity move it. It's a lot easier for the workers to push it downhill rather than pull it uphill. Let me show you a close-up of the concrete truck loading the bucket. It doesn't take long to fill the bucket. The bucket is not actually filled to the top due to the weight of the concrete. And as you can see, it doesn't take long to empty the bucket either. Here we have a different angle. The concrete truck can pour directly into the forms now. Notice how the workers are finishing the concrete. One worker is using a bull float, 2 workers are using a straight edge, 1 worker is using a concrete rake, 1 worker is using a hand trowel, while the other worker has a concrete vibrator. The vibrator is used to prevent what we call honeycombs, or air pockets in the concrete. Notice the 2x4s holding the steel up. This is to prevent the steel from coming in contact with the dirt. Once the concrete is placed in the toe wall, the wood will be removed. Here is more video showing the workers finishing the concrete. Look at this worker using the concrete vibrator. Now you can see the worker removing the 2x4. Notice how he pushes it down in the concrete. Then he goes right back to vibrating the concrete. Pouring directly from the concrete truck into the formed area makes it a lot easier and a lot faster. This is how slope pavement is poured. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.